Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kwemi. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this yummy egg roll. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Let's do it. For our egg roll, we'll be needing 2 cups of flour, 5 hard-boiled egg, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. We're going to start off by adding our butter just like that. We'll give it a good mix. Make sure it is well combined until there are no crumbs inside. You combine it so well. Make sure you mix it together really well. Then we'll go in and add our sugar. Basically, we'll be adding our dry ingredients first. So after our sugar, that's baking powder, some nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. So we are going to go ahead and add that just like that and make sure it is well. Now it's time to add our water into our dry ingredients. You make a well inside your flour and you pour your water just like that, and you combine gently. You don't want to overwork your dough. Here is our dough after it has been combined. Now it's time to put our eggs inside our already sized dough. First you want to make sure the back is as smooth as possible. Then you go in and add your egg. Then you will use your thumb and your index finger to clinch the mouth together. Then you rub the back inside your dry flour. Then using the heel of your palm, you try as much as possible to pinch the two ends together just like that to get that perfect round ball like shape. This is me going over the process again in a very slow motion so that I can be more explicit. It's time to start frying our egg roll, which we'll be doing under medium heat to avoid burnt egg roll. You don't want your egg roll not to be cooked inside and the outside being very burnt and crispy, hence us frying under medium heat.